Mr. Presiding Officer, we have here with us this afternoon Mr. Emmanuel or Director Emmanuel Borromeo from the DILG Quezon City to present the City Council with the award of the 2025 Urban Governance Exemplar Awards. May I request for a few minutes for recess in order for the City Council to receive said award.
Thank you very much, Director Manny, for your presence. Recess.
May we invite the members of the City Council to receive the award together, of course, with our Vice Mayor, Gian Soto.
Sir, regional pa lang to, Consi. Kasunod na yung national, hopefully.
Congrats. Sa Dangal, ano?
Dangal ng lungsod. Sa DSGH.
Ay, sa barangay yata. Meron eh.
Ay, yung Gawad, galing po. Opo. Ay. Ano, okay na?
Sige po, pa-message.
Yeah, magandang hapon po. Yeah, maaring narinig nyo na, no? Pero hayaan po nyong ibahagi namin yung magandang balita. Matapos po yung regional validation para sa Local Legislative Awards for 2025, we are glad to share with you yung magandang balita from the regional office na after the regional validation, 4 po or kasama ang Quezon City sa 4 na local government units or sangguniang panlungsod na inendorso para makarating sa national validation. So congratulations po. At nitong nakalipas po na November 5, si DILG NCR Regional Office po ay pinarangalan yung mga natatanging sangguniang panlungsod na achievers or maganda ang kanyang performance. At sa ngalan po ng DILG NCR, hayaan po niyong i-present namin sa inyo ang plaque na ito. Hayaan po niyong basahin ko ang nilalaman. In recognition of the sangguniang panlungsod of Quezon City for its exemplary performance in the 2025 Local Legislative Awards, demonstrating outstanding legislative work that upholds the principles of good governance through the enactment of progressive ordinances and resolutions for the benefit of its constituents. Signed, Honorable Caroline C. Cunanan, Metro Manila Councilors League President. Signed by Honorable Francis Kit R. Peralta, Chairperson, MMLCL. Signed by President VMLP, Honorable Angelo A. Agkawili. Signed, Maria Lourdes Alagusi, Seso 3, Regional Director, DILG NCR. So congratulations po, sangguniang panlungsod of Quezon City.